So thank you so much po for taking advantage of our private reading session. So let's see muna po what's your current energy. I'll pick 9 cards here, take what resonates na lang po, and then we'll try to answer your questions. Okay. So currently, what we are seeing here po is that you kind of felt like so still frustrated with what's been going on when it comes to like your situation. It kind of felt like nawawalan ka ng somewhat from like confidence sa sarili mo or tiwala sa sarili mo that maybe to work things out or para masolusyonan yung sitwasyon mo with your person. Could either be more that parang your person or yung girl is kind of felt like she's kind of being withdrawn, no? Could either be more that she still have like feelings for you, but at the same time, it kind of felt like, parang naging avoidant siya. More likely because she's still quantifying yung nararamdaman niya, nafe-feel niya, and she needs more time para mas makapag-isip. And we might be able to see impact din po about a third person or third party here based on this particular card that we have here. Kaya nagkukos ng somewhat form of like stuck, no? Parang wala tayong nakikitang movement as of the present time. And right now, we can also see here din po, that you cannot feel so bad because you're kind of trying to work things out, but at the same time, it kind of felt po that you're kind of being ignored by your person. Okay. What you can do sa ngayon, no, is to allow yourself na mas habaan siguro yung pasensya mo towards the other person or towards your relationship kung kailan to maaayos because as of the present time po, wala pa tayong nakikitang opportunity that things will work out para between you and your person. We can see here po na parang this is like a time for to be much more contemplating or to contemplate more how you should be able to focus more in terms about the future instead of dwelling yourself with regard to your past, no? Kasi alam naman natin na nagkaroon ng somewhat form of like betrayal. Okay? And so mahirap na din talaga na ibalik sa dati yung sitwasyon mo between you and your person, and more likely because it kind of felt po na parang wala pa tayong nakikitang remorse o parang pagsisisi sa part ni girl, no? More likely because she kind of felt like ayaw niyang aminin na nagkamali din siya. Mukhang alam naman niya nagkamali siya, but it kind of felt like mataas din yung pride nitong girl na to, itong babae na to. So to answer po your question, kung nakikita pa rin ba sila ng lalaki, we have here the moon. The moon represents the people or the person. It kind of felt po na yes, mukhang nakikita. Lumabas po yung lalaki dito. So it kind of felt po na mukhang nakikita pa rin sila. Medyo palihim. Okay? It kind of felt like more of like the nighttime yung kanilang pagkikita. So that's the energy po that we have here po. I'm not so sure po ano yung CIKD, but it kind of felt po no na it kind of felt po no na mukhang nakaligtaan niya or could either be more na parang it was not parang he's not paying attention about it anymore. Kaya if this is something more of like a bagay or what, i-ano mo na lang, parang keep it na lang, no? Hayaan mo siya na siya yung mag-open up sa'yo about it, no? More likely yun na meron naman pag-reach out eventually, no? Coming from this person about the CIKD. Pero sa ngayon, we can see here po, no, na mukhang overwhelmed pa siya sa mga nangyari and all, and it kind of felt like either preoccupied siya with a lot of things, kaya somehow na parang nakaligtaan niya all about it. So that's the energy that we have here po. Bakit ayaw niya mag-open or mag-sorry siya? more likely it's all about shame. And the problem with this person is maano yung pride niya, mataas yung pride niya. Okay, so isa din to sa mga reason as to why kung bakit wala tayong nakikitang pagsisisi or remorse coming from this person. It kind of felt like hindi pa din siya ganun kahanda as well. So, andun yung somewhat of like unprepared. And he kind of wants to know then as well. Parang hindi pa niya, parang ano din, hesitant din siya to somehow reach out sa'yo, no? Because alam niya na parang nagkamali siya. But at the same time, alam niya na magkakaroon kayo ng tension. So, um, hinahayaan lang na muna niya na parang kumalma lahat-lahat, no? Parang kumalma yung sitwasyon. Okay? Mahalaga pa ba ako sa kanya? Iba yung pinili niya based dito sa card na to he kind of somehow recognized your effort and all, but it kind of felt like ayaw niya din na parang magkaroon pa siya ng somewhat form of like attachment towards you. More likely because parang lumanlam na din talaga yung feelings niya towards you, no? Okay? So, isa din to sa naging reason niya. And it kind of felt like he kind of identify herself too much dito sa relasyon niya with the other person. Um, so, what you can do sa ngayon is mahalaga ka sa kanya but not the same level ng parang pagpapahalaga ng someone who kind of somehow really like meron pa siyang feelings towards you. So it kind of felt like you kind of somehow recognize yung value mo because of the things na parang naibigay mo sa kanya, could either be more na parang naitulong mo sa kanya, as well as yung pagmamahal na parang naibigay mo. Bakit hindi ako ang piliin niya? More likely because right now, we can see here po, no, na she's still taking her time to understand what is it that she really wants. It kind of felt then na parang the emotions or feelings is no longer there. It kind of felt like for quite some time, talagang nandun na talaga yung pagluloko. It kind of felt like attached siya doon sa person. I don't feel po na sa ngayon, pipiliin ka niya or aayusin ka niya. But she might somehow reach out, no? Medyo magulo pa yung isip ng person mo. Okay? So, yan na nakikita ko dito na vibe or energy. And isa din to sa naging dahilan kung bakit parang umiiwas siya towards you, no? Okay. Anong mindset or iniisip niya ngayon? Right now, she's kind of somehow focused as well about the relationship na nag-gone wrong. Maybe it is something to do about your relationship. But I do feel po sa ngayon, no, na parang handa siya to reconcile with you. Again, it's all about pride ang nakikita ko dito na parang dahilan. And more likely because she kinda just wants to be true sa kanyang sarili na mukhang she kinda somehow decided to move forward na. Okay? So yung mindset niya sa ngayon, it's focused more um, about the ego. The Leo is associated with ego, pride. And right now, it kind of felt like she's kind of taking the risk, no, na i-sacrifice kung ano man yung meron kayo para sa isa't isa or kung ano man yung kung ano man yung meron kayo towards this new person or new guy. So sa ngayon, we can see here po, no, that she's also not in good shape. Hindi din siya naging happy with regard sa mga nangyari. But again, you know, she was not really like being true sa'yo the whole time talaga. So, that's the energy that we have here po when it comes to like her energy. So, yung pag-iwas niya sa'yo is somehow being brought about, parang ayaw niya na she might somehow see you as a form of like a burden sa kanya. More likely because na pinapaalala niya or napapaalala mo sa kanya yung kanyang betrayal or yung kanyang pagtataksil towards you, no? And right now, she's kind of just taking her time para makapag-isip ng mabuti. She kind of just wants to have that me time, alone time. But we can still see here din po, no, na parang she's kind of just want to move forward na. Ang ano ko lang dito sa kanya, kasi nga walang proper closure yung sa inyo, we might be able to see that baka kakarmahin din siya dito sa kung ano man yung connection na meron siya with this person. Because it kind of felt like hindi justifiable yung kanyang ginawa towards you, no? There was somewhat like manipulation and all, but I can see her naman po na from your perspective, from your point of view naman, or from your situation, we can see her naman po na malalampasan mo naman to. I understand that you still love the person, but at the same time, hindi natin maka-quantify din talaga yung ano ba talaga yung gusto ng person mo. Because as of the moment, we can still see here po na parang she's still interacting with the person. And at the same time, it kind of felt like sa ngayon, she's kind of doesn't want to, parang naka-defensive mode siya. Naka-defensive mode siya from you. Okay. So, that's the energy we have here po for you.